This is our super fun Sunday.
No, it isn't.
Sorting out washing. Foxy's having a meltdown. Mummy feels like crap. And you two are arguing. And Aria stepped on some Lego and cut her foot.
And she punched me in the butt.
No, she didn't punch you, Mika. Yeah, another super fun day. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Here's some Gary footage for everybody. This is his blanket that he loves. He chews it. Like this. He loves it. He's done it since he was teeny tiny. He's very snuggly with it. Oh, you a good boy, aren't you, Gary? Good boy. Oh, yes, he is a good boy. Oh, Gary. I'm editing. Ben is getting the cobwebs and stuff off the ceiling for me because I can't reach. Mika is downstairs crying. She has been seen, but her brother and sister are just being mean to her and she's got a bit upset, so she's gone downstairs to do some drawing. And this one is being mean to her, aren't you? Can I see your foot? How is it?
Not fun.
She stepped on a bit of Lego this morning. Gary's having a lovely time with his blankie. Leave him, Ari, because he's comfy. You gonna play with your brother? Here he comes. What are you doing? No, I'd like calm boy, please. Calm boy. Calm boy. No. In your room then. Ari Primrose, don't put your feet on him. Oh my god.
One eternity later.
Oh, Bubby. Are you comfy, Binksy cat? Are you comfy, boy? Oh, yes, yes. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Hey, Banana. Oh, my lovely boys. My lovely boys. Oh, Bobby. Let's go find Chippy. Hi, Chippy. Hi, Chippy. Boop. Oh, yes. Oh, she's a lovely girl. You look so cute. Oh, Banana. Oh, this baby. Oh, this baby. Oh. What are you doing? You want my hand or not? Oh, my lovely boy. What? Sneaking up on my Kit Kats. You see him trying to sneak up on you then, Banana. My lovely boy. My lovely boy. That is some aggressive cuddling, Bandit. He's aggressively cuddling the camera. Yeah. A good boy. it's been a day of nothing. So you've just got loads of cat content because you all love the cats. So